Good morning everyone, we're looking at another Casio MDV watch today. So let's get right onto it, shall we? So initially look at the box. It's a simple card style box with a simple, it says simple, should be a simple pull out style box. Casio have never really been known for their boxes, funny enough. Usually sort of quite functionally done really, nothing elegant about it. Then again, it's all about the watch, isn't it, rather than the box. So here we go, this is the Casio MDV107D. Retails around at £75. Has a 44mm case diameter with a 12mm case thickness. Weighs 149 grams and uses a quartz movement. So let's just remove this little bit of plastic here so we can have a look at the dial. Satisfying sound. So dial is a black sunray dial with 30 luminous increments and 30 luminous hands, and you've got a date dial at 3 PM, and you just got that little red seconds hand just to add a little bit more detail to it. Inside the actual face of the watch, you've got sort of markings inside there just to add a little more depth to the actual watch. Watch is waterproof to 20 bars according to the specs, and gives you, when you order it, you get a 2-year warranty with it as well. Fully luminous, obviously fully luminous components as well, as I said. Looking at the actual glass specs you get with it is just pure mineral glass. Coming out to the bezel, you get it's a nice well-defined bezel movement there. It does sound a bit cheap, but the actual movement of it doesn't feel cheap, so it's a decent style, really. You'll notice as well, it's not like a green Hulk colour. It's a more of a darker green rather than a lighter green. So if I can show you that under natural light, if I can. That's a better look at it. It's not a really dark green. Well, it's not a bright green, it's more, yeah, it's just a dark green. Come into the crown. It's a screw down crown. It's a little bit difficult to get out to first position. Second position. Nice amount of feedback to the hands, despite the delicateness of when you're putting that crown out. Let's just push that back down. An actual screw down, there's not a lot of thread to screw that crown back in place. So come down to the strap does feel quite tinny. It does rattle a little bit, but it's not as bad as some. It's similar to an Oasis petrol strap. It's got a 21mm width, so if you want to change that, you'll need 21mm width to remove that from, if you want to change the strap over. Come down to the clasp. It's a cheap double fold over system with a simple button down and 2 push buttons to deploy it. Clicks nice into place though, which is a bonus. Looking at the back plate, a little more information on the back plate there. Japanese movement by the looks of things. So in regards to that is the Casio MDV107D Starbucks.